This guide introduces the most effective methods for transferring apps from Android to iPhone smoothly, covering methods like Move to iOS and SHAREit. Part 1. How to transfer apps from Android to iPhone with Move to iOS. If these free apps are available on both Google Play and the App Store, Move to iOS allows you to download apps from Android to iPhone seamlessly. Additionally, the option to transfer apps from Android to iPhone is only available when setting up a new device. If you're already using an iPhone, you'll need to erase your iPhone to access this option. Step 1. Turn on your new iPhone 16 and place it near your Android device. On your iPhone, follow the on-screen setup instructions. Step 2. Locate the Apps and Data screen and tap Move Data from Android. Step 3. On your Android device, open the Move to iOS app. If you don't have the Move to iOS app, you can tap the QR code button on your iPhone and use your Android device's camera to scan the QR code to open the Google Play Store. Step 4. On your iPhone, when you see the Move from Android screen, tap Continue. Then, wait for a 10-digit or 6-digit code to appear. Step 5. Enter the code on your Android device. Step 6. Your iPhone will create a temporary Wi-Fi network. When prompted, tap Connect to join this network on your Android device. Then, wait for the Transfer Data screen to appear. Step 7. On your Android device, select the apps you want to transfer and tap Continue. Step 8. Once the loading bar on your iPhone is complete, tap Done on your Android device. Then, tap Continue on your iPhone and follow the on-screen steps to finish setting up your iPhone. Part 2. How to move apps from Android to iPhone using SHAREit. All you need to do is establish a Wi-Fi connection between your Android and iPhone. Step 1. Install SHAREit on both your Android and iPhone. Step 2. Open SHAREit on both devices and select Send on the Android phone and Receive on your new iPhone. Step 3. Choose the apps you wish to transfer and initiate the transfer.